Alright guys, so I'm on my way right now to go deliver these parts. I have to go ship them out. I got my knuckles, my inner tie rods, the mat, the wires, and then I have my extended control arms. I just need to stop by AutoZone and then buy some outer tie rods for the inners. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then we'll go take all these parts to get them shipped out to Mexico. Alright, so I just got out of AutoZone right now, and I got the last piece to the puzzle. I got the outer tie rods. These were actually a little expensive. I think they're like 30 bucks each. And hopefully my homie receives them sometime next week. And yeah. So the other day when I was doing the angle kit, I decided to make 2 kits. The other kit's gonna be for the homie JP. I'm gonna help him install the kit I made for him.
You still faded?
Huh?
You still faded?
Nah.
I'm still faded.
Yeah?
Yeah. I even ate too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Fool, you're rubbing a lot.
I know. It's in the rear, I think.
Sick ass wheels, bro. Damn, fucking baller, fool.
It is.
Oh shit, you started or what?
Yeah, I just want to see how it works.
Sick.
Yeah, that's nice. I just gotta replace with wheel bearings.
The wheel bearings?
Yeah.
I mean, you could rock it like that for the meantime.
I'm done.
This is the passenger side. This is the driver's side. These are longer than the stock ones. Check it out. Way longer. No more spinning out for JP. I hope.
So what are you doing right now, Phil?
I gotta tighten up the coilover, and then once I do that, I'm gonna take off your old tie rod and then install a new one.
Hey.
Do you have a blade, bro?
I do. Maybe, let me check. Fucking hit the bin. My crest run too. I don't know what the fuck I was doing.
Alright, the old tie rod is out. Go ahead and install the new one. I hate doing these, fool.
Why?
I can never fucking put them on.
So professional.
Huh?
So professional.
Some fool in my last video was saying, damn bro, look at your calves, fool. He said I had big calves.
You walk too much, fool.
I walk too much?
Yeah. Or you're always standing up.
No, actually I don't. I'm always sitting down. Bro.
Really? Dude, I can't stand up for a while.
Because I kick it a lot?
Uh-huh. Maybe. Maybe. You're a fool. Maybe.
Bad angle though. Doesn't look right yet because of the other one.
Okay.
So that's basically stock angle right now, and once I do the other side, we should be able to tell how much more angle we're gonna gain. So let me go ahead and start doing the other side. Check it out. I have my tie rod and my knuckle right here. Let's get it. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is I'm gonna be extending his control arm. I think I'm gonna go like 25 millimeter or maybe 30. I don't want to go too aggressive because then he's gonna start having some fucking rubbing issues. He's already having rubbing issues, but I'm only gonna do like 25 or 30 millimeter. Alright, we just aligned the car. We're about to drop it. We kind of eyeballed it. Ready for it or what?
Sure. See how it is.
I'm gonna turn the wheel so we can show them how it looks.
Hey, jack up that side, bro.
Hold on.
Or lower that side. Never mind.
Holy shit. That angle though, bro. Check it out. It's done. That fitment though, bro.
Yeah. Once I get it running, then I'll be happy. Right now, I'm just like,
All he needs to do is raise up the car about an inch or 2 inches and he should be good. Not bad. You did it again, Philly. That's perro. Fuck it, I'm gonna head home. My job is done here.
only?